But here, while we'll go into details when you are working with us, let me tell you one thing. Every piece of writing, everything what you write must have three components. An introduction, where you tell the reader as to what you are going to discuss. What is this issue about? Two, facts, what I call main body, where you narrate the facts, where you tell him that French Revolution took place in 1789. The starting point is 14th of July 1789 with the fall of Bastille. These are the factors which contributed towards it. The philosophies were who? Rousseau, Voltaire, Montesquieu, Diderot, blah, blah, blah. That's narration of facts. But the most important thing, the most important part of any narrative, any piece of writing, particularly in the context of a competitive exam, where all 25,000 of your competitors